Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 8th March 21. It's day 3 and week 7 of our live trading series. You can see in the right side window, Sensex is up by almost 250 point. India VIX is down by almost 3.5%. And Bank Nifty is up by almost 150 point and Nifty 50 is up by almost 100 point. Today India VIX is down. It's a good sign for the market. It shows that currently there is no any bad news in the market. So let's see what will happen. And if I'm talking about my position, you can see in the middle window I have bought 35,000 put 3 lot, 34,000 and sold 34,000 put 7 lot, and 33,000 put 4 lot. So it's 1 to 1.33 ratio, and in that position the maximum loss would be 25,000 and the maximum profit would be 75,000. And if I'm talking about the market, market is where I needed that, so I think I should not change my position. And currently it's 11:35, so let's see what will happen till the closing time. So please keep watching. Thank you so much. Hi guys, welcome back. Currently is 3:20 and if I'm talking about the market is quite volatile today, and that's why I think that I will not be able to recuperate all my outlay, so I have done some changes in my position. Currently I have bought 35,000 to put 3 lot, then I sold 34,000 put 9 lot and bought 33,500 put 6 lot. It's a ratio butterfly, you can say, or it's a advanced butterfly, and the ratio is 132. The maximum loss in that strategy would be 13,500 and the maximum profit would be 75,000. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and let me take your leave for today. Bye bye.